This is the Get to Know series, number 3 or 4 or something like that. This is called the Hastings Yard. Hastings Yard will have all these um, train cars, and the local locomotives will move them out and put them on a train. This is a get to know the Hastings Yard. And along the Hastings sub will have variety of freight. There'll be occasional times there'll be a coal train on there, and then Amtrak at night. That's along the BNSF Hastings Subdivision, which runs from Lincoln to McCook. I have never been to McCook before, so that's where the line is at, and then they go into I'm gonna get a chopper shot. It is a yard action. If you come down to Hastings, downtown Hastings, right by the tracks, you'll see some yard action going on. Just to let you guys know. And on the east edge of Hastings, Union Pacific runs over that line. And we should do a Marysville subdivision in just a moment, or something. And that's what it is. And thank you for watching this video on that Get to Know Hastings, Nebraska. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.